Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change laptop brightness in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change laptop brightness in Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In Settings, click on Easy of Access. Now scroll down. Here you will find make everything brighter, and by default 100% is selected. Just drag the slider as you wish. I'm going to change the brightness. You can change brightness as you wish in your laptop. This is the easy way to change brightness in laptop on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.